Welcome back to Riffs, Licks and Tunes. Just a reminder to everybody that this is a weekly guitar lesson channel, and the lessons are posted in a sequence, so you're supposed to learn them in a sequence. So if you're an absolute beginner to playing the guitars, don't just watch the latest episode and try to play that. You have to go to the episode 3 because that's when we started playing the guitar. The first 2 episodes were about how to buy a guitar, how to choose a guitar, and the different kinds of guitars available. But we actually started playing the guitar from the 3rd episode onwards. So if you're an absolute beginner, watch the 3rd episode. If you have some knowledge about playing, you can start from the episode 4 onwards. Because you have a playing experience, you'll probably go fast. But do try and practice all the exercises given since the episode number 4. And thereafter we started the primer, reading music and so on. So do go in a sequence. The episode numbers are a part of the title. So in the end of the title, it does mention episode 01, episode 02, EP 03 and so on. So do go as per the sequence. So last time we finished up to the boat song. We were playing the primer. Well, the last 2 episodes we had taken a break from the primer and we were restringing the guitar, removing and replacing the fresh strings on the guitar. And in the last episode we learned how to tune the guitar. We'll get back to the primer now. The last we played was the boat song, notes up to the 1st and 2nd and the 3rd strings. So we will continue that now, and we'll start from the London Bridge and play some more exercises which are based on the first 3 strings. London Bridge, quite straightforward. The common time signature C, which is 4 beats per measure, and just has the quarter notes and half notes, quarter rest, dotted half note, everything that we have learned before. So let's play this. 2, 3, 4. Good night, ladies. 4/4 timing, again 4 beats per measure. Now the way it is written in this book, the link of which I have shared, is that in the second last measure there's a D, C, E, D, all these quarter notes, and the last measure has a dotted half note which is C. 2, 3, 4th beat is rest. But I am pretty sure in the old book it used to be like this: D, D, E, D, C. And if you happen to play the sound files which comes along with this digital book, it is played that way. So either ways you play, it's alright. Coming back to the tie, we had already learned this when we learned the song My Heart Will Go On a few episodes back. So what is a tie? It's just a curved line joining 2 identical notes. Basically they are the same notes, the same pitch, but they can be of different durations. The point here is that the note which is tied is not to be played, its duration is to be counted, but so the duration of that tied note gets added on to the note which is tied to. Okay, you do not play the tied note, you just count the duration. All right, why is this needed? Because a measure can only have so many beats as it is mentioned in the time signature. So if it's a common timing 4/4, there will be 4 beats per measure. But if you want to play a note which is longer than that, which is longer than 4 beats, then obviously it is going to go into the next measure. Because the note goes into the next measure, we don't have any particular shape to designate 6 beats in this case. So what we do is we write the same note again in the next measure and we tie it. So the duration gets added, you don't have to play the note again. Take for example this train. If you look at the first line, the last 2 measures, okay, there's a quarter note which is C, and then there's a half dotted note which is also a C. So half dotted note is obviously 3 beats, but then the same half dotted note is repeated, it's C also, and it is tied to the note in the previous measure, which means in the last measure the C is not to be picked. You just count the duration. You have to have that sound to last those additional 3 beats before it goes into the 4th beat, which is a quarter rest. This is how it is, just playing the last 2 measures of the first line. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. 4 is the quarter rest. Two, 3 4, 1 2 3 4. 3 4, 1 2 3 4. 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Thanks for watching. Please do share these videos. Maybe someone somewhere is trying to learn guitar online. Maybe these videos turn out to be helpful to him or her. Also practice well, stay home, stay safe. See you next week.